All right, here we go. So you've got your AirPods, but you don't like them because they're white. Well, today we're going to change that. So I'm going to paint them with some of this stuff. Get that custom matte black look. Step one is to get all of the ear grease off of these bad boys. So you want to wash your hands before you do this too. Just so that, you know, you're minimizing the amount of oil that's being put back on this. Okay, now that that's done, time to do a little taping. If that is true, I don't wish that on you. There's so much to adore in a heart that is blue. Now what you can do is cover the little black spot with a spot of hot glue, and that'll just scratch right off. Because these are fakes, those things don't work anyway, so I don't gotta worry about it. And this is the part where I forgot to record when I painted them. Perfect. And here's how they turned out. So maybe you don't like white AirPods, maybe you want something else, but you don't want to pay like several $100s for a pair. And you have an extra can of spray paint lying around. Well, you can make your own. It's pretty easy and well worth it.